Hello there, welcome back with the second binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 2 in today's newspaper, in the additional of Monday, September the 28th, 2020. The second binary puzzle will be number 1638. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between a double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have now 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Well. 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. We have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 2 last tectonics. Tectonic number 1 and tectonic number 2 with 1 star and 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.